our window and
Hello, gal pals.
hey, gal pals.
So, we haven't made a video in over a week, but we've been filming a bunch of stuff. We just haven't like filmed anything that kind of runs together.
Yeah.
So, we just got some clips to play for you guys.
Yep. So let's just roll those.
Yeah, check them out. Let us know what you think.
Yep. Do it.
Hey, gal pals. How you doing today? Oh, me too. So, I just wanted to do a little video and show you about our palm tree. I've never cut a palm tree before, and we weren't gonna do it, but I just decided let's do it. Right?
Yep.
So, a storm's coming in, so I wanted to get some down, and maybe this will help with like the dust or something in the
Maybe
pool,
it'll help with the birds coming over.
Yeah. So
I don't know.
this is my new hairdo from the palm tree.
It's lovely,
From
baby.
the from. It's a from.
It's lovely. It's beautiful.
It's the biggest one. Oh, that's pretty quick, right?
Yeah.
I'm just afraid of scorpions still being in.
I know, me too.
Huh?
This one right here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try and cut one now.
That one that's leaning right there, yeah. Yeah. Right there. You just saw right through it, baby.
I can't.
Wait. Oh, you got it! See? Almost. There you go.
That was really hard.
Hey, babe, you didn't even have to move it. It just fell right into our stack.
What?
We did have a bird living in there.
No way.
Yeah.
Where was it?
It was like right where they come out of the tree.
Uh-huh.
And they were just wedged up in there. There's one more up there.
Uh-huh.
I just left the other one. But this one didn't, it was on this thing that I pulled down. I didn't even know it was there. And then I got a sliver too. Will you get it out?
Oof, that looks gross.
Ah! Ah!
Got it. Yeah, I got it out.
Ah! Thanks, I couldn't grab it.
Hey, did you kill the babies in there?
No, there wasn't any babies.
Okay.
But the storm did start.
I saw, I just went out
It's
there.
really blowing now. I was like, oh, I'll be alright, I'll be alright. I think it's gonna miss us.
I told
Just
you it
turned
wasn't.
this-
I
it
kept
just
telling
turned
you.
this way.
He never listens to me, guys. I tell him. And, oh wait, you should save that so we can show the kids and tell them about it.
Alright, I'm up in the garage though. It's pretty cool. It's got like, it's all mud on the bottom, you know?
Mm-hmm.
It's a good one.
Save it so we can show it to them.
He's laughing all over.
Whoa! Whoa, careful, hold on. What is it? Look. Do you see that? Is that cool? What do you see? Look. Wow, look. Good job, Eleanor. Is that so fun?
What are you guys doing?
We're feeding the bird.
Huh?
The bird. He crashed into our window and now he can't fly, so we're trying to rescue him.
So you gave him almonds?
Yeah, I don't know what the birds eat. Gentle.
They eat bread.
No, that's not good for them. They're not supposed to.
What do
eat
you
bread.
What do you feed ducks?
Yeah, but that's not good.
Do you feed them almonds?
Yeah, you're supposed to feed them almonds and like.
No.
I
No.
know you're not supposed to feed them bread because that just makes them puff up and it kills them.
That's rice.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am
don't know.
sure.
What do you guys think, gal pals? Be careful. careful, don't.
Has he eaten any almonds yet?
No. Naked Gavin over here because he's potty training. I think he's scared. He doesn't want any.
Who's scared, Gavin?
He can't
I
fly.
think he's a dove.
He is a dove.
Yeah.
Mom,
He's a dove.
Gotta be very gentle.
can
with
I
him,
put him in my arms?
Yes.
Mom, he's a little bit great.
Okay, ready?
No. He's a little bit shy.
You're not. Here.
I just want to
Okay,
pet
grab him from here. Now give me your other hand.
No.
Put him under here, right here.
No!
Why not?
Because I just want to pet him.
Okay, well.
Mom, he's so cute.
Yeah.
He can't fly right.
Well, no, because he's hurt.
Look, it's me.
Be careful.
Mom, look.
Yeah,
Our window.
Our window, and he got hurt, so that's why he can't fly.
Hi. So, Mama,
Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird.
you gonna give him a smooch? Give him a
Pretty
smooch.
bird.
Can I?
Pretty bird.
Don't eat him. Kiss him.
Okay.
No. It's not a dolly.
Hey, be nice. Oh, so gentle. Yeah. Should we get a be gentle. Desi, should we get a shoebox so we can put them in there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Are you sure?
He's been flying out here for a whole day. Hey! Well, what'd you think? Really fun stuff, huh? Sorta.
Yeah, I wish we would have like vlogged all of it, but we just have been busy. Took the baby's bottles away. We've been potty training Gavin all week, and that's been fun.
And just so you know, the bird made it home safely.
I think. We think.
We think.
It was gone the next day.
So we set him somewhere really nice, and then I'm pretty sure I saw a bird fly away the next day.
Did you?
We see lots of birds fly
We
away.
see lots of birds, so we don't know if it is safe or not, but
Yeah,
we're gonna think it's safe.
he's good.
Yeah.
We
But-
rehabilitated him, and we saved his life for a couple days at least, that we know of.
Yeah.
But, and then what else did we have on there? Well, we cut our super sweet tree.
Yeah.
It looks so good now.
looks
We've had a
way
bunch
better.
of storms after we cut it too, and our pool's staying way cleaner because we got all those like seed pods out and stuff, and there's way less stuff getting in the pool. So we should have maybe done that sooner, but
Yeah, we should have.
we had to get,
Well.
we had to get the saw.
You
So,
learn.
yeah.
My friend's coming in this weekend, so that's gonna be fun. We're gonna vlog that.
Yeah.
So I'm excited for that because I haven't seen her for how many months? Like, I don't know, like 6 months.
Shout
maybe
out
longer.
Hillary.
And Nancy.
Thanks for watching all our videos.
Yes. So we're excited for that.
Yeah,
And
can't wait to see you guys.
Yeah. That's
What else?
what else is new?
We did the tree, the bird.
We went to the park with Desi's friend from school.
Yeah. Just
So-
you know, your normal everyday stuff.
Yep.
But we just wanted to show you guys a few clips. So
Yeah. Well, guys,
hope you like them.
we'll see you guys next time. And thank you so much for watching. And comment down below if you want to see a new Desi's Kitchen. I don't know if I'll post it this weekend or maybe Monday, because that's usually when I post them. So let me know down in the comments. And
Let me know too.
why you gotta do that? This is just my like, I'm standing, so I gotta rest my like, I don't know.
I know we never do videos like
We
this
don't.
standing
We're always
with the
sitting.
tripod, so it's weird to like. I'm not used to having both my arms.
I'm like,
I'm
what
gonna
do I-
say like this or like this or like this.
It's weird, and we're outside, so I feel awkward because our neighbors probably hear us, so
Maybe.
that's lovely. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time, and if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and you give us a thumbs up, and let's try to get how many likes? Like 50 likes on this video?
Yeah, like 50 likes.
50 likes.
And make sure you share it with your grandma. They love these
And your
videos.
friends. All right, guys, see you next time.
All right, gal pals. Bye.
Bye.